Hi everyone, my name is Megan from Denver Yoga Social, and I'm here at Brewdog, one of our many venues across Denver that we teach yoga, and I'm here to break down Janu Sirsasana, or seated forehead to knee pose. So, getting started, you're going to extend your left leg out long. Right foot is going to be placed on the inner thigh of your left leg. Your right knee stays down and bent. You'll take a moment, lift up your good, scooch onto your sit bones. And then on your inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Twist your torso towards your left leg. And folding from your knee crease, you'll fold over the left leg. From here, you start to work your forehead to your knee. For some modifications here, if you're having a little trouble with the flexibility in left thigh, you're just gonna bend your knee, bring that heel to the mat, and you get to choose how much you bend your knee. And then bring forehead down to your knee. And then really nice here, as you breathe and as you deepen the depth of your posture, you can start to slowly unfold into a deeper depth and find that forehead to knee here. Take a few breaths. You'll eventually walk yourself up and then switch sides.